Big bad breaking news. Big bad breaking news. My uncle have Hausa friend in Nigeria army. They told him that they don't like what is happening in Biafra land, especially Igbo Biafra land. They were so annoyed, they were so angry, they were so sympathetic because of what is happening to Biafrans, how Fulani army have been killing them, maltreating them, treating them like trash, torture, everything. They say that they full all the prison in Abuja and every northern prison. Igbo Biafrans full there. They don't like it. They were eager to help, but their hands were tied because they were regarded as second-class citizens. Fulani armies, they were claiming they are the owner of the land. If anything, they will sack them or even kill them, but they were not happy at all. They said that Yoruba army are third class and they don't know that other tribe exist. Igbos, they don't know that there exist. Anything dangerous, they will send them to the war front and inform Boko Haram to come and kill them. They were so annoyed because they don't know what to do about it. And they leak this secret to my uncle and say that the Fulani soldiers, they are about to start killing Igbo saboteurs to blame it on SN or IPOB so that they will cause confusion between brothers and sisters. They say that all these Igbo saboteurs, traitors, big and small, they will start killing them soon. They will start burning their houses soon. And they will disguise like or is it unknown gunmen? Yes, they will disguise like unknown gunmen and start killing Igbo saboteurs, traitors, both big and small, so that they will blame it on SN or IPOB, so that they will cause confusion in Igbo land. Is what they intend to do. And I say, if they dare not do that, they dare not do that, because if they do, heaven will fall. They will see that Igbo get sense. They are not wiser than Igbos. Igbos are intelligent. That's the message I want to pass now, to let the world know, in case if unknown gunmen start killing Igbo traitors, saboteurs, anyone saboteurs, both big and small, know that they are Fulani soldiers, because they plan it. They say they plan it yesterday. They went on secret meeting yesterday, being 5th of May. Yesterday being 5th of May, and the Hausa in army, they don't like it at all. And when they have confidential meeting or secret meeting, they will chase them away. But still, they will know. Few of them will leak the secret. You see, many people, they don't like the injustice meted against Igbos, especially Igbo Biafrans. This one they are planning now will sink the zoo. Bye for now.